Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Pip Survey once more. Today I want to show you how you can add money on your cheaper cash account. So you just open the app. After open, you come to the top right here, which says add cash. So you click add cash. Then it tells you how much amount of money you want to add. Maybe we say 2,000. Then we click continue. It will tell you transactions free. Then you select the operator where the money is. When you select Airtel, it will give you a notification to confirm whether that's the number. Then when you click continue, it is going to process. When it processes, it will give you a push notification to your number. Now I use the Airtel, so my Airtel is in this phone, so it will give you a push notification whereby you'll have to put in your pin. And when you put the pin, you click on send, and the money will appear on your account shortly. At times it delays because of the network issue, but finally it will appear. Yeah, thank you. In this video, I want to show you how to buy dogecoins on cheaper cash, and you send them to any address that accepts doge anywhere. So at the home screen of the cheaper cash app, we are going to go at the bottom here. There is a word called the invest. So we are going to come to invest. Then when we click there, we are greeted with two interfaces. One is stocks on top, and on the right it is crypto. So we are going to click on crypto. We shall be given a list of cryptocurrency coins which we can buy, but for this video we are going to select Dogecoin. Now after selecting Dogecoin, it will tell you at what price it is in a particular day. So right now the price is 4.19 UGX. So we are going to buy doges. So if you're going to buy doges, you are going to click on buy. So now we are greeted with this screen which says buy doges. How much of Ugandan shillings are we willing to buy doges? Maybe we can say we are buying doges of 55.63. Yes, we specify the amount here, or we specify the amount, or you can also if you know the number of doges you want to buy, you can just click on this icon to switch between UGX and the doge. So this is what I mean. I'm going to click on it. You see, it has switched. So now here you can specify the amount of doge you want to buy. Maybe 100 doges, anything you feel like buying. But for me, I will choose Ugandan shillings. I will switch back to Ugandan shillings. And here it also gives you an option of choosing how much percentage of your cheaper wallet balance are you willing to buy. Do you want to buy 25% of your cheaper wallet? Do you want to buy 50%? So if you want all the money on your account, you click here. And when you click there, it will bring you all the amount of your wallet, and perhaps these are the number of dogecoins it is going to buy. But for now, I'm not going to buy that much. I'm just going to buy 55.63. Then I click next. Now here it gives me a summary of what I'm going to receive. This is the number of doges, this is the total amount, and also this is the doge price. So after that, I will click buy now. You can watch up here, the money is going to decrease on my account. See, my money has been decreased. I have bought now 0.19 doges. Yeah, you can step one step back from here. and boom, you have your dodges. You have your dodges added to this. So for now, let me end this video. Thank you. Now, after buying dodges on cheaper cash, you are going to log in into your account on Deriv, and you generate how much money you want to deposit on cheaper cash in terms of dodges. So now I'm opening my app here. Opening the app. So uh, I'm going to go to deposit, that's top right corner here. Then deposit, I'm going to go to cash, yeah? Then deposit. Now Deriv has very many deposit different payment methods, but for me I will go with this one here, the first one here. It's called deposit via bank wires, credit and e-wallets. So I will choose this first option here. And then after choosing the first option, I'm going to scroll down, and I select this second last here, called doji. After selecting it, it's going to give me a warning that you must input the address. On your wallet to complete the deposit. Send only doji to the address that will be created. Don't send any other currency to the following. So here I will say maybe I want to deposit $100, mean $10, which is the minimum, and the maximum is $2,000. So after that I'll click next. After clicking next, so now this is the amount of dodges. This is the match of the dodges I have to send. But now when you're sending, you can send around 131.09, okay, dodges. So now here they give me an address on which to send to. Don't scan this, because when you scan this, it's going to bring for you, it will be difficult to send to the address encrypted here. So the better option is to click on this option, to click on this address. When you click it, it gets copied to the clipboard. You're going to go to cheaper cash, then you come to invest at the bottom here. Click on invest. Then you click on crypto. Now you select doji. After selecting doji, you're going to scroll down and you come to here where they say transfer. You click on send. Then here it's going to tell you how much dodges are you going to send. Maybe you can put the one they have told you of 0.1. It was 1.08. Then when you put the dodges here, it will tell you the amount in UGX. But right now I have insufficient dodges, as you can see on top here. So you just tap here. When you tap at the wallet address box, it just pastes the address you copied. Now after you having sufficient dodges on your account, you are going to click send. It will send you a notification that confirm to send, plus more other charges that the network will cost you, and you say confirm. When you confirm, you're going to wait for less than 10 minutes or 20 at most. Your $10 dodges, these dodges are going to be converted automatically to dollars, and it will reflect on your account. Then when it reflects on your account, you're able to use it you're able to transfer it to whatsoever method of your choosing. So I think I've explained well on how to add cash, how to buy dodges and how to transfer the dodges to Deriv. So all I can say is I wish you a successful trading. Bye for now. Peace out.